The water is so cold. Honestly speaking, the water is cold and stuff. So I was telling you, I need to take a shot of water. Hello, good people. Good afternoon to you from this part of the world, that is Nyabohanse Village, East Africa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TendeAfricavlogs. To the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted, good people. And those who are new here, consider to hit that subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. Always comment, like, and even share, my good people. Today I want to take you along somewhere unique here in the village. I want to take you to a water slide here in the village, show you around, and then we see what the day holds for us. Hot here back in the village. It is a hot afternoon, and today I want to take you along. I want to visit one of the water slides. It is so hot, it is so sunny, you can tell from the video. And I want to head to one of the water slides here in the village. And this is my outfit for the day. I'm putting on white to reflect away the heat, you know. I don't know, you'll see it in my video, but I have no one to get hold of my camera. So good people, come along. I just want to go and slide a bit because it is too hot over here, and it has been raining day in, day out, but we thank the Lord today it is sunny. So from my background, you know this place, this is our banana farm. And keep tuned, subscribe, comment, like, and share. Let's meet there. Hey, good people, I've arrived at the place I was telling you. I changed my mind. I'm not going to the water slide place, but I opted to come to this side. Let me take you along. I'm in the river, as you can hear. This is a river here in the village. Good people, let me turn the camera so that you can take a look at what I'm talking about. It's so expectant, so magnificent, it's looking so superb. So today I want to take you along. Oh, the river is flowing from over there to this side to the other end over there. But right now, this is still one river. Very beautiful. Okay. So I need to take you where people take shower. That is where ladies take shower from. Hey. You can see somebody's here. Oh my goodness.
Hello guys, hello everyone, hello family. It's your girl again, Alice Njokiwan from the village, Africa, Kenya, guys. As you can see, today we are here at our river. We want to get shower.
Take a shower.
Take a shower, guys.
I was showing them how the river is from the other end.
Okay.
I want to show them where you want to take a shower from.
And
if they convince me, I'll dig in. Come introduce yourself, girl.
Hi, beautiful people.
Yeah.
I'm called Irene. We are here at this beautiful river. You can hear the sound, it's roaring. We want to take a shower. We want to scrub.
Scrub what?
Body. Wash.
So good people, let's go there. Let's head there and see if it is true. Where are they going to take shower from? Also also we have here, we do water the animals from here. Let me show you where the water is. The water is a bit cold here. Let me show you, good people. This is where we take shower from. You can see someone is here. Hello, good people. You know, I was coming here. Good people, I was here. I wanted to go for a water slide. On reaching here, I found someone else. This one over here.
I'm here, and it's a girl, Alice Jokiwan from the village, Kenya. Yeah.
She has convinced me. She has convinced me to go for her to take a shower, good people. But I was for the water slide. But let me try it because I've seen the place looks so beautiful. I know you've watched my previous videos on taking bath in the river, but this one is so unique. So good people, come along. Let me show you. How you can see from here. This is where they cut the water animals from here. The water is so cold, good people, but I have to try. And take a shower. Come. Let me show you, good people. I need to take the shower from here and this hey. Wow. You know the legend? So this girl has convinced me to go, but
She's afraid of water.
no, the water is so cold. Honestly speaking, the water is colder and stuff. So I was telling you, I need to take a shower from
Water.
from here, good people. So before that, I have my scrubbing, body scrub. I have my stone. I have my soap over here. So I need to start with my feet, then my legs, then come closer so that I can see where we do the gluten. Wait. Come closer in this. This takes away all the things. I wanted for these good people, but I decided to come. They have convinced me to come and take a shower, but I wanted to go for a slide. I have no other way. So I have to start with my face, then my body. Come, Irene, you can come and show them now. How beautiful and clean the water is. You see, good people? This water is so clean, you can as well drink from it, no harm. People will be like, why are you scrubbing your face with the running? Never worry, this is how we do it in the village. Alice, what? I'm telling you the water is still cold, but I have to give me the jug. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Let me just from here.
Alice mwagilie maji huyo aoge.
This guy is a pain. Why is that? For him, see, don't see what you My goodness, if I get cold. Oh my goodness. Where's the jug? Guys, I'm quite cold. Please. You people, they have convinced me to do this kind of share. So I've no otherwise but to take a shower.
To scrub yourself.
My goodness. What's that jug we are using?
Tuko tushapeleka huko vitu.
Oh my goodness. What am I going to do?
You'll just bend the way we did it.
Just scrub your body.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Okay,
a,
let me scrub her back because this land is a
that's a
pain
nice
of
thumbnail.
water. Yeah, and I've started feeling it. I've started catching cold, you know. You can bend, girl. You can bend. Just bend. This girl is crazy, I'm telling you. Oh my God. Hey. Let me imagine doing this. My goodness. Crazy village girls in the river. We are not crazy. This is how we do it. Yeah. I'm just trying to work. You know, push. Don't put my fire. Yeah. All this because you. My goodness. Yeah. I didn't know. Let me do this. I can do it. Yeah. My hair. Oh. Hey! The water is so cold. You know it's like from my freezer one night, I'm telling you. I don't know how
Next
you're doing.
from that rock inside there, it's very cold.
Yeah, it is so cold, these people.
Mama, imagine Aisha. Wow. Hii imetoka ndani ya hiyo mawe. Haiwezi isha.
She's taking shower in a waterfall. She's like taking shower in a waterfall. I'm afraid something may come from there. Good people, this is how we roll.
Now she has adjusted.
I've started adjusting, but it is still cold. Yes? Good people, I just need to wind up. This water is too much. This is cold. Good people, and I want to touch cold here. And because I'm forgetting my sock. There's my sock. So I need to go. You can see we have also another opening.
Oh, kuna matope. This is amazing. Now,
Let's get some sunlight. Am I clean?
yeah, you see now.
Let's get some So I need to go. Here is my body scrub. My sock. Guys, I'm feeling cold. I need to get out of this water.
Yeah.
And I'm finally done with taking shower at the river. Good people, you can see from my behind, from the back view, from the back view.
Are you guys outside?
From the back view, good people, this is where I was taking shower. Good people, I'm finally done with the shower, taking shower. I need to get out of this place because it is getting cold. Go and dress up. You can. I'm done. I'm done from taking shower from the waterfall behind there. You can see how good looking it is. Good people, I'm feeling cold. I don't want to lie that it isn't all that cold. I'm feeling cold. I need to go and change. You can see young girls are coming for water. Some are washing. You can see Alice. Alice! Alice doesn't want to get, she doesn't want to get out of the water. My goodness. You see this typical village life. So I need to go and change, good people. You can see from there is a lady doing her washing. So I need to go and change. This is how beautiful the river is. Comment, like, and even share. Let me know what is your take about this river. Huh? What is your take? Let me change, good people. This is where I need to at least bask for a little, so that the sun can, so that I can dry up. You see, I'm deep in the forest. African village life. Deep in the forest. Deep in the forest. Deep in the forest. The other end over there, we also have a river where male partners do take shower. You see how beautiful it is, green. So we are not afraid of coming to take shower here in the river because we are safe, you know. We are so many. We are not only, we are, a lot of people come to take shower here. You see how beautiful the river is. So beautiful. So they are taking shower over there. It is so secure, no one can bother you. There I was taking shower. And over here, let me show you, over here we have another place where you can also take a shower down there. You see, good people, how good looking this place is. You see. Meanwhile, let me go and change. You know, it is getting cold over here. To the other end. Over there. To the other end. Over there. Oh, the river is flowing from over there. Okay. Good people. Deep, deep forest. Heading to the river. This is a deep forest, my friend. Okay. Finally out.